Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. One of the things you need to do, getting ready for winter, is get all these leaves, and quite often there'll be more than this, out of your valley. Because otherwise, snow and ice will build up right here and hold that. That's the only time water will kind of go seemingly uphill, is when you got a stack of ice or snow and it melts and goes away from that stack. So your gutters will have to be cleaned up, even if it's the little short gutters that you have on the side of a mobile home. You need to clean them out and get all the leaves off so you don't have things that hold ice and snow's water when it melts. Find all them little tiny holes, let it flow on off. So that's another thing you need to do when you have maintenance on a mobile home or a house. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.